Welcome, flag enthusiasts. Have you ever been puzzled by the colors and symbols on a flag and wondered which country it belongs to? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm going to show you how to identify any country by its flag in 3 simple steps. So let's dive right in. Flags are fascinating symbols of a country's identity, history, and culture. By the end of this video, you'll be able to impress your friends with your flag knowledge at any trivia night. First, let's talk about colors and patterns. Most flags have a unique combination of colors and designs that hold specific meanings. For example, red often symbolizes bravery or revolution, while blue might represent freedom or justice. Notice the patterns too. Stripes, crosses, stars, and unique shapes can be key identifiers. Take the United States and Malaysia, for instance. Both have red and white stripes, but the star pattern in the blue field is different. Similarly, the Scandinavian countries like Sweden, Norway, and Denmark use crosses but in different color combinations. Next, let's focus on symbols and icons. Many flags feature symbols that represent their culture, history, or geographic features. The maple leaf on Canada's flag is an iconic symbol of the country. The Union Jack in the corner of Australia's flag signifies its historical connection to the United Kingdom. Look at Japan's flag. It's simple with a red circle symbolizing the sun. Or Mexico's flag, which has an eagle holding a snake on a cactus, an image with deep historical and cultural significance. Finally, understanding the regional and historical context can be a huge help. Neighboring countries often have flags with similar colors or symbols due to shared history. Many African countries, for instance, use green, yellow, and red, colors associated with the Pan-African movement. South American countries like Argentina and Uruguay use light blue and white, inspired by the sky and clouds. Knowing a bit of history and geography can provide important clues. To summarize, 1. Pay attention to colors and patterns. 2. Look for distinctive symbols and icons. 3. Consider the regional and historical context. These tips will help you identify any flag with confidence. There you have it, 3 easy steps to identify any country's flag. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational content. Comment below with your favorite flag and why you love it. Until next time, happy flag spotting. Stay curious and keep exploring the world, one flag at a time.